Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Apple iPad. So you have to start by opening your App Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge. Now click search and then click here to install your app. And now you can click open. And here you can set this browser as your default browser, or you can click skip. And here you can sign into it using your data, or you can click skip. And now you have to click confirm. And then click get started. And as you can see, my Microsoft Edge browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.